The Miocene era was characterized by warmer worldwide climates than the Oligocene or Pliocene that preceded it. It is noteworthy because it is at this period that two main ecosystems, kelp forests and grasslands, first formed. As the global temperature warmed and subsequently cooled, the expansion of grasslands coincided with drying of continental interiors. The Miocene epoch, spanning from 23 million years to 2.6 million years ago, was the first major division worldwide of the Miocene era, spanning from 23 to 5.3 million years ago. The early Miocene era lasted from 23 to 16 million years ago, the middle Miocene era lasted from 16 to 11.6 million years ago, and the late Miocene era lasted from 11.6 to 5.3 million years ago. These are the most common divisions of the Miocene era. As Antarctica became isolated and the circumpolar ocean circulation became developed, global circulation patterns shifted. This allowed for the formation of the Antarctic polar cap by reducing the mixing of cold polar water and warmer tropical water. Similarly, the African Arabic Plate joined Asia, shutting the seaway that had previously divided Africa and Asia and causing a multitude of animal migrations. Southern Europe, North and South America, India, East Africa, Mongolia, and Pakistan all have significant Miocene deposits. The Miocene stratigraphic record includes both marine and terrestrial habitats. The record of terrestrial life is wide and diverse, offering a fairly full picture of vertebrate evolution, particularly in mammals. So what was evolution of terrestrial and marine life like back in the day? Land-dwelling mammals were largely modern during the Miocene. Many archaic taxa had gone extinct by the time Oligocene ended, and the Miocene record contains over half of the mammalian families known today. There was some faunal exchange between the New and Old worlds in the Northern Hemisphere. Interaction between Africa and Eurasia was also conceivable, but Australia and South America remained isolated. Evolution of horse occurred mostly in North America throughout the Miocene, with taxa such as Parahippus and Hypohippus, Miohippus, Pliohippus, and Merychippus representing significant variety and development. Also, the first dogs and bears appeared. The initial appearance of the bear-dog hemicean coincides with the bear's beginnings. The first hyenas, descended from primitive civets, as well as the first cats having saber tooth of the subfamily Machairodontinae, appeared in the Miocene. During the Miocene, deer, primitive antelope, and giraffes appeared throughout Eurasia. Elephant ancestors, which appeared to be limited to Africa during the Oligocene, appear to have expanded to the continent of Eurasia during the Miocene and became more diversified. Almost all contemporary whale groups, as well as early walruses and seals, had appeared by the end of the Miocene epoch. Herons, ducks, hawks, eagles, crows, owls, sparrows, pheasants, and partridges were all present in Europe throughout the Miocene, when the Alps were still rising. Talking about primate evolution, it is heavily influenced by the Miocene epoch. The oldest primate found in the fossil record of North America is a 55-million-year-old, which is a tarsier-like creature known as Tailhardina magnoliana, but all North American primates died out before the end of the Eocene epoch, which was approximately 33.9 million years ago, as the region's climate cooled. Higher primates, particularly apes, have undergone significant evolution elsewhere. Advanced primates, including apes, appear to have lived in southern Europe, according to fossil evidence. Pliopithecus, an early form that looked like gibbons, but was very distantly connected to them, was discovered in Miocene rocks in Europe. The Dryopithecines are a group of evolved humanoid apes that most likely represent the ancestors of humans. A group of advanced human-like apes known as the Dryopithecines are thought to be the stock from which modern apes and humans descended, and have been discovered in Miocene rocks across Europe, as well as in Africa's Miocene layers, where human-like forms and modern humans are thought to have originated. Thus, the Miocene era was a period of altering circulation patterns in the oceans, owing to global cooling. Oceanic nutrient distribution patterns shifted, resulting in greater production in some areas while decreasing productivity in others. The Miocene was a period of rapid evolution for mollusks and marine planktons, with many species exhibiting increased biological variety. If you learned something new from this video, or if it helped in your school assignment, then make sure to hit like and share. Subscribe to Explified for more such content. See you in the next one.